Sylhet Agricultural University is a renowned agricultural university in Bangladesh. The university has been set up at Tilagarh, which is 4 kilometers away from the main city of Sylhet, covering an area of about 65 acres. The university started its journey in 1995 as Sylhet Government Veterinary College. Later in 2006 it got the status of a university. November 2nd is celebrated as University Day. The current Vice-Chancellor of the university is in charge named Dr. Matiar Rahman Hawladar, with whose foresight the university is moving forward at its own pace. The university has 6 faculties, and among them the Faculty of Veterinary, Animal and Biomedical Sciences is considered as the mother faculty. In addition to those faculties, there are 46 departments in which students are admitted in batch admission test system every year. At present there are about 2,500 students studying in the university, about 195 officers are in administrative charge and about 203 teachers are in academic charge. There are 7 residential halls here for students to stay. There are 5 residential halls for male students and 2 residential halls for female students. In addition to studies, the university is progressing in all aspects of sports and cultural activities. There is a playground for sports and a gymnasium for exercise. Besides, there is Bangabandhu mural here and also magnificent Shaheed Minar, which gives us strength as a symbol of our independence. Finally, I would like to express my desire that the Sylhet Agricultural University, which was built on the hillside, should move forward at a faster pace. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.